Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest. Product 1: Razor Ground Force Elite Electric Go-Kart. The Razor Ground Force Elite Electric Go-Kart is a thrilling and innovative electric go-kart designed for individuals aged 13 and above. This exciting vehicle offers an exhilarating experience with a top speed of up to 14 mph, providing a perfect blend of speed and safety for young riders. The key feature of this go-kart is its powerful 350-watt chain-driven motor, which propels it forward with efficiency and responsiveness. Equipped with a forward-reverse drive switch, the Razor Ground Force Elite Electric Go-Kart ensures easy maneuverability, allowing drivers to navigate various terrains effortlessly. The inclusion of a 36V rechargeable battery provides up to 40 minutes of continuous use, offering an extended and enjoyable riding experience before needing a recharge. The sleek and stylish design of the go-kart, presented in a classic black color, adds an aesthetic appeal to its overall appearance. This electric go-kart not only delivers a fun and exciting ride, but also aesthetic appeal to its overall appearance. This electric go-kart not only delivers a fun and exciting ride, but also emphasizes safety and reliability, making it an ideal choice for young riders seeking an adventure-packed outdoor experience. Whether racing with friends or enjoying solo rides, the Razor Ground Force Elite Electric Go-Kart promises a thrilling and memorable driving experience for users looking to explore the world of electric go-karts. Product 2: Razor is a popular brand that specializes in electric-powered recreational vehicles. They are recognized for their innovative designs and commitment to providing fun and efficient transportation solutions. The company's products often cater to various age groups, from children to adults, and are designed for both recreational use and commuting purposes. If Razor Drift Rider is a new product or a specific model released by Razor after my last update, I recommend checking Razor's official website or reliable retail platforms for the latest information. You can find details about the product's features, specifications, and customer reviews to get a comprehensive overview of the Razor Drift Rider and its capabilities. Product 3: Ezroller, a ride like no other. Even better than a scooter, the Ezroller moves like a snake with right-left leg movements. Kids sit low to the ground and push the footbar back and forth to get great speed. Fun for youth. Ezroller presents the Classic X, which is the original Ezroller with a sleeker design and reimagined grips. It's extendable, so it grows with your child. Children can curve around in this lightweight ride. Stay active. Boys and girls can enjoy play and exercise at the same time as they drift around on this toy. Children can stay active indoors or outdoors because these wheels are non-marking, hands-free. Kids who cycle or scoot have to keep their hands on the handlebars, while kids who ride around on an Ezroller have their hands open to chuck balls or play other games. Specifics: 2 steel extensions to grow with your child. Easy setup. Size 26 to 42 liters x 17 watts x 14H, weighs 12.8 pounds. For 8. Product 4: Product name Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.